Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. You know, it's Saturday evening here in Maharashtra, and I was just thinking about those little annoyances we face with our smartphones. One of the biggest for me has always been taking a screenshot. You have to do that awkward hand yoga, trying to press the power and volume down buttons at the same time. Sometimes you lock the screen, other times you change the volume. It can be a real hassle. Well, today, we're going to fix that for good. I'm going to show you how to install a super useful three-finger screenshot module on any rooted Android phone. This brilliant little module lets you take screenshots using simple and intuitive three-finger tap or swipe gestures, bringing a feature often found only on premium OEM skins to any device. Before we start, let's go over the checklist. First, and most importantly, your Android device must be rooted. Download the module from video description. Find and open your Magisk app. The interface is pretty straightforward. Look along the bottom navigation bar and tap on the Modules tab, the one with the puzzle piece icon. This screen shows all the Magisk modules you currently have installed. At the top, you'll see a button that says Install from Storage. Tap that. This will open your phone's file manager. Now, simply navigate to the folder where you save the zip file, which for most of us is the download folder. Tap on the module's zip file. As soon as you do, Magisk will begin the installation process. You'll see a console window appear with text scrolling by. This is Magisk running the installation script, patching the necessary files in your system to enable the gesture. It usually only takes a few seconds. Once the installation is successful, you'll see a blue reboot button appear at the bottom right. So go ahead and tap that reboot button and let your phone restart. And we are back in action. My phone has finished rebooting, which means the module should now be active. So there you have it. A simple, powerful way to get the awesome three-finger screenshot gesture on your rooted Android phone. Honestly, after using this, I can't imagine going back to pressing buttons. It's one of those small tweaks that dramatically improves how you use your phone every single day. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. It makes a huge difference for the channel. And for more deep dives into Android customization, rooting, and modules, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.